If you're looking to scrape product prices quickly and efficiently, then you need to check out Browse AI. This powerful tool can help you extract pricing data with ease. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stick around because I'll also share how you can access this software completely free from the link below with some exclusive bonuses. Browse AI is an intuitive web scraping tool designed to simplify the process of gathering data from websites. Whether you're a digital marketer tracking product prices or a researcher gathering competitive intelligence, Browse AI is an essential tool for automating these tasks. The beauty of Browse AI is that you don't need to be a developer to use it. You can start scraping product prices in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right into how to scrape product prices using Browse AI. First, you'll need to create an account, but don't worry. This process is quick and simple. Once you're logged in, you can create a new robot, which is Browse AI's way of saying data scraper. It's all done through a user-friendly interface. Simply select the page you want to scrape. The software will allow you to point and click on the data you want to extract. In this case, you'll select the product prices from the relevant sections of the web page. Browse AI's visual interface makes it so easy to configure, you don't have to worry about complex coding or intricate setup processes. Once your robot is set up, you can run it. The software will automatically navigate the website and pull the pricing data into a structured format, like a CSV or an Excel file. This will save you countless hours of manual work. Another great feature of Browse AI is its scheduling function. You can set up your robots to scrape product prices on a regular basis, so you always have up-to-date data without needing to lift a finger. This is incredibly valuable for businesses that rely on real-time data for pricing strategies, market analysis, or competitive intelligence. And don't forget, the software is cloud-based, meaning you don't have to install anything on your computer. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, you can access your data anywhere, anytime. Now, if you're a first-time user, you might be wondering about the costs. Don't worry. You can start using Browse AI for free with the link in the description. Plus, by using that link, you'll get exclusive bonuses that can extend your trial or provide access to extra features. Before I wrap up, I want to emphasize that Browse AI is a game changer for anyone serious about automating web scraping. Whether you're managing a large e-commerce store or just keeping tabs on the competition, this tool will make the process much faster, more efficient, and more accurate. So, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial available through the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to try Browse AI without any commitments. Thanks for watching, and happy scraping.